Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how to work with jQuery methods get and post. So let's start. Before starting I am going to tell you I have created two files on my localhost, form and data in PHP. So let's go to the Google and search for the jQuery get and post methods. Click on it, W3 School. As you know, it is the best learning website. So what is the purpose of get method? Get method request data from the server with an HTTP GET request. So it retrieve the data from the server. So let's open it. Copy it first and paste it into your first PHP file. This is the library of jQuery. Without it, jQuery will not work. Just copy paste also. Make an indentation. So let's change the variables and classes. On this button dot submit class, on click it retrieves the data from data dot php file. Okay, on the button click dot submit class, it retrieves the data from this file. So let's fill it also. This is testing of jQuery. Save it also and go to the Google and refresh. I am going to click it. Nothing happened. Let's see it again. Oh, there is a mistake in the file name. Refresh, click on it. As you know, I have write a text here. This is testing of jQuery, that is showing their status and as you know I wrote the text there which is showing their data concatenate. As you know, in jQuery concatenation is useful with the help of plus sign. Data that is coming from that file and the status. This is the status of the jQuery. I means if status is successful, then data will show. Okay, I think it is clear now. Post method requests data from the server using an HTTP post request. So as you know, post is useful for sending data request. So let's open it also. Just copy that code. Indentation of it. I think that is enough. Copy paste the class's name. Change the file name. So I think it is enough to change. As we see, we have included another field which was not in the get method. So post method is useful for that purpose. Just go to this file, start this with PHP. Let's make a variable called name. If $i underscore post So what is the name of the sending data? Just copy paste and change the other variables. So we have done. I will use echo for displaying it. Close the bracket and then show this. This is name, concatenate it with dot sign. I think it is better to use double quotes. So I think it is done. Let's go to this file. On click this button, it will trigger the request. Let's refresh it. Click on it. As you can see, this is named Donald Duck City Duckburg. So as it is requested with these parameters, name and city, it will show this line with the requested parameters. So on click, it will send this. So on click, it will send this data. You can also use the form data to send, and on success, it will show the result on alert. So finally, if you find my video useful, don't forget like, share and comment. Also the subscribe my channel. Thanks.